Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up security cameras or CCTV, surveillance cameras, whatever you want to call it. So it's basically a static camera which you can put anywhere you want, so in one of these corners or anywhere, and it then puts what that camera sees onto a material that you can put on a monitor or on a wall or anywhere you want so the player can see it. So this can be used for horror games or a nice little feature that you want. So let's get right into it. So what we're going to do first is actually create our camera. So what we want is a scene capture 2D, like that. Or you can just search for 2D and get the scene capture 2D there. And then we're just going to place this wherever we want it. I think I'm just going to put it over in one of these corners back here, just as a nice security camera. And obviously you can make a mesh for this as well so that it looks good, and then you just put this in the blueprint or something that you want, but for me this is just how I want it. So I think that's good for me. So now what we're going to do is create a texture. So in the content browser down here, we're just going to right click. Then under materials and textures, we're going to get a render target like so. Call this whatever you want. I'm just going to call this CCTV 1. Obviously name it accordingly, so it could be corner 1 or whatever you want. And then still with the camera selected, we're going to go down to scene capture here, texture target there, and hit this little arrow to put that in, or go on the drop down menu and select CCTV 1 or whatever you've just called it. So with that now done, what we're going to do is right click the texture down here and then just create material. Call this whatever you want again. CCTV 1 matte works for me. And then we're going to create a little screen to actually put this on. So this can be on your monitor that you've made, that you might have made, or wherever. I'm just going to put it on a geometry box like this. Just going to scale it like that. And because I already had it selected, it's put the texture on there for me. And if it doesn't do that for you, you just select it under the materials tab. Actually, it's doing that, so just a lot quicker. I'm just going to put it on the basic cube like this. Just make this a little screen that you want. Obviously you can use actual things here like a proper monitor or whatever that you've made, but this is just the example. So then the materials down here, select the material you've just made and hit the arrow there to put it on there, and as you can see this is now on there perfectly. So I just move this up against the wall like that. Obviously scale it to however big you want it. Make sure that all the scaling looks good. So obviously get it in the right ratio that you want, like that. So now if I hit play, you can move over here. We can see that this is now a live camera. So you can see kind of in the corner there, you can see us moving. Just so we can see it a bit better, I'll move the camera down over here. So you don't need to update this every time you move it, it should do it automatically, because it's just taking whatever this camera sees and updating everything in real time. So you can see as I move it here, it changes what that sees on there. Put it out there, it sees all that. So now if we go over here and we walk in front of it, we can see the player is now on here as it's walking in front of the camera. So I think that'll be it for this video. We've done everything we wanted to do. We've made our actual camera here. Obviously we can't see it because we haven't got a static mesh for it. We've made the camera and put the material onto a screen for us, so it updates in real time and we can see everything that the camera would see. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.